Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. So in today's content, we will be having a nice little outlook on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. As you guys can see over here with this nice ascending trend line over there, we basically said that we want some sort of a rejection of this area over there, and we basically had that. So well done to those who caught the move towards the downside. And I also want to say thank you for those who has been sending me messages over Instagram. I highly do appreciate it. It puts a huge smile on my face, to know that, hey, you are benefiting from my actual content. Okay, now just a little update on my actual previous analysis over here. On our weekly time frame, we did have the nice actual rejection over there. So I'm just gonna find myself removing this daily time frame over here. Why are we basically targeting 12,580? Mainly because hey, the market moves with impulses and corrections. As you guys can see, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, right? Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Now, can you guys see that, once we basically broke above this actual area over here, we haven't found ourselves coming back for the actual retest for a potential move back towards the upside. Now, you all know by now, if you find yourself watching my previous content, please do go watch that. I am looking for overall downside potential on this beautiful pair called Nasdaq. Okay, but we're gonna be reactive. We're not gonna jump the gun. Okay, so going down to the actual 4-hourly time frame, we can currently see that we are bearish in structure, right? We are currently bearish in structure. Look at this. Nice low, lower low, to a market giving us a what? A lower low. Once again, we do have this nice high, lower high over there as well. So we are clearly bearish in structure. So I am currently looking for overall bear momentum. As you guys can see over here, we literally just created a what? A lower low over there. After a lower low comes what? A nice actual correction for a potential dip back towards the downside. Okay, a nice actual move towards the upside for a nice dip back towards the downside. Okay, now scaling down to the actual 2-hourly time frame over here, I do have some sort of an actual trend line assisting me on where I can potentially have a turning point. Can you guys see over here, right? These nice actual turning points. Let's get out of trend line, just like that. Boom. So this trend line is now basically assisting me on a potential area where we can find ourselves taking price into for a potential dip back towards the downside. A safe haven would literally be these areas over here if I can scale down to my actual 1-hourly time frame. As for those who have been watching my content, right, I always target areas which are untested, right? So as you guys can see over here, a safe haven would literally be this region over here. Can you guys see that? This region over there. Once we basically had this beautiful turning point, we broke above this area of previous resistance, now turned into support, and we haven't came back for a proper retest system yet. So a safe haven would literally be this area over here, right? If we're gonna have some if we're gonna have some sort of a dip back towards the downside, I want to wait and see what is price gonna do inside this actual region over here. If we can have some sort of rejection, this is where I will take price all the way towards the upside, back inside this actual descending trend line over there, right? And of this actual descending trend line, I am looking for somewhat downside potential. Where's my overall outlook? My overall outlook is basically 12,580. Okay, so I hope that you all have a clean understanding. This is a quick update on last week's analysis, and I will see you in the next content. Please do trade safe, use money management. I'm out.